What's up, everybody? It is Christian here and special guest star
Gabe.
Gabriel.
That's terrible.
So we're here today to do the Free Bird Super Monster Burrito Challenge.
Oh yeah. That was perfect burrito sighting. Good job, bro.
Listen to that. Wait, this is the size of my arm. Can you see that? So, basically, challenge just to finish it, I think. And got a cup of water.
It's gonna take a long time.
I'm gonna try to power through it as fast as I can. I asked for extra rice and beans. I got every single choice of rice, every single choice of bean, every single choice of cheese, meat, every single time. Would you like this? I was like, yes, all of it. And Gabe?
I didn't get as much.
First.
Mine split open too.
Alright, let's begin, dude. I'm gonna try to take a bite out of it. Ooh, that was tasty already.
Alright, let's see then. Another loser.
I'll tell you that much, it's tasty. It tastes good.
Does it taste good with everything on it? Oh yeah.
Look at my
burrito's bleeding.
Help! What am I supposed to do? This hole's the size of my face.
I'm giving up right away. I'm gonna be smart about this.
But we're not racing. We're just doing it. There is such thing as doing things for fun. I've given up on the hands, bro.
Good choice.
Recommendation to our few loyal subscribers. Go to Freebirds, get a Super Monster Burrito, and get everything on it.
Don't do that. He's lying. You've seen his face, it's disgusting.
Who do you see more on the channel, me or Gabe? Trust
me. I think the strategy is tortilla first, and you just scoop up what's left.
You know what my strategy is?
What's your strategy? That is not my strategy.
Put it in your mouth and chew it and swallow it. Look at this cut right here.
Oh, that's a prime cut, sir.
Look at this bite. That's like I can hold that.
Matt Stoney would have been done.
We're not Matt Stoney. Dude, you need to turn your burrito sideways, otherwise they don't know how much progress you made. Can you even see? You can kind of see.
Can you see my progress now? I need to go like this then. Ah.
Oh, I could have turned mine over in the beginning. Alright, let's do an update. Alright, update number 1. This is how far I've gotten.
I've gotten much further than him.
Clearly. Yeah, it's tasty. I'm not feeling too much in my tummy. Not yet. But who knows? This doesn't even look like a burrito anymore. Yours does. Look at mine.
It's like a bowl without the bowl.
What?
Bowl without the bowl.
A bowl without a bowl?
It's the burrito bowl without the bowl.
The bowl without a bowl. You know I'm gonna replay that.
Oh, I know you are.
Well, I'm finishing this no matter what. If I need to go clear a room out the front or out the back, I will. I'm finishing this. Oh, man. fold this over a little bit. Update?
Yeah, let me take this cut.
Alright, update number 2. Mine just looks like a pile of mush, but it's still a burrito deep down. And
Deep down in its heart, it's still burrito.
I'm gonna finish it.
I'm about half.
Yours looks beautiful.
Yeah, it does.
Like, you should be a competitive eater just to like look good.
Slowest competitive eater in the world. Sabotage.
How dare you? No, how'd you get ahead of me by placing just a spoil in my burrito?
No, you can't.
It's all over. Man. Oh, tortilla.
What's that? I don't even know.
When I was ordering this, she asked if I was feeding a family. I said no, hung my head in shame.
And then the guy behind me said, mine could feed a small country.
Which is very probable. Hey, you, shush, quiet on set.
I'm very impressed with myself.
This is
In
how
11
far I've
minutes, I
gotten.
wouldn't be able to eat a sandwich.
Yeah, that's very true, Gabe. It takes Gabe half hour to eat half a sandwich, like a regular sized burger.
Bitch.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine. But you
I mean,
Itch. Ooh, itchy.
itch.
Every type of bean.
Oh, no.
I'm gonna be fartsy. I share a room with this guy that's off screen. That's why. Whoa. You know when you're full, so everybody makes you want to throw up?
No.
Sorry I asked.
You're welcome. So this isn't a bet, it's just a... You better finish. It's a threat.
Well, Christian did his part, though.
Yeah, I did my part. I feel like I'm gonna throw up, but it's okay. I'll just eat that too.
It's gonna be meat tonight. It's gonna be meat tonight at Fuji. Has Gabe gone to Fuji?
No.
Unlimited sushi place. It's really good. Bam! I am done
There's a
with
hair
my
in
Super
mine.
Monster burrito. Just pretend that wasn't ever there. It could be yours. It's a short one. Don't throw it back on your burrito. Throw it on the floor. I am finished with my Super Monster burrito. That was difficult. I feel really full. I'm trying to put on a happy face, but it wants to come back up. But that was delicious. And I guess now we just start the time lapse till Gabe finishes.
So I got very close. But for right now, it's gonna have to hit the pause button. I'm gonna save this for tomorrow.
He did get pretty close. Look at him.
Just a small pile left.
Yeah, it's just like...
And whatever went onto your table.
I don't know if the camera does it justice. There's really not that much at all, so...
Until tomorrow.
Till tomorrow. Alright guys, that'll do it for this video. Thank you for watching. That was the Freebird Super Monster Burrito Challenge. What'd you think of it?
Good thing I finished it.
He didn't finish.
I
finished, and it was fantastic. It was tasty, but it hurt very bad because it was a lot of food.
But
Yeah,
I'm feeling it now. I'm very full. After
Me
I stood up.
I know, me too. Feel weighed down.
Oh yeah. That's an extra 10 pounds.
I'll go poop it out. All right, that's going to do it, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Make sure you comment any challenges you want us to do. And I will see you next time.